Hello students, how are you? Yesterday we learned cursive alphabets A to R very well. Today we learn more alphabets S to Z. Now page number 20. Look at these pictures. S for sun, S for star, S for spider. Let us learn capital and small s. Draw a slanting line, note and big curve. This is capital S. Draw slanting line, note and big curve. This is capital S. Now small s. Draw line, note and small curve. This is small s. Draw slanting line, note and small curve. This is small s. You have to complete this page. Now page number 21. Look at these pictures. T for tap, T for tree, T for truck. You have to color these pictures. Capital T and small t. Draw a car, note, line and small curve. This is capital T. Draw a car, note, line and small curve. This is capital T. Now small t. Draw slanting line, line and small curve and line. This is small t. Draw a slanting line, line and small curve and line. This is small t. You have to complete this page. Now page number 22. Look at these pictures. U for uniform, U for umbrella, U for uncle. Let us learn and write capital U and small u. Draw a big curve, line and small curve. This is capital U. Draw a big curve, line and small curve. This is capital U. Now small u. Draw a line, curve and another curve. This is small u. Draw a line, curve and another curve. This is small u. You have to complete this page. Now page number 23. V for van, V for vegetable, V for vowels. Let us learn to write capital V and small v. Draw a curve, line, another line and knot. This is capital V. Draw a curve, line, another line and knot. This is capital V. Now small v. Draw slanting line, line, another line and knot. This is small v. Draw slanting line, line, another line and knot. This is small v. You have to complete this page. Now page number 24. Look at these pictures. W for watermelon, W for watch, W for whale. Let us learn to write capital S, capital W and small w. Draw a big curve, line and another line and knot. This is capital W. Draw a curve, line and another line and knot. This is capital W. Now small w. Draw a slanting line, one line, second line and another line and knot. This is small w. Draw a slanting line, one line, second line and another line and not. This is W, small w. You have to complete this page. Now page number 25. Look at these pictures. X for xylophone, X for Christmas tree, X for X-ray. Let us learn to write capital X and small x. Draw a car and another car. This is capital X. Draw a car and another car. This is capital X. Now small x. Draw a line, car and another car. This is small x. Draw a line, car and another car. This is small x. You have to complete this page. Now page number 26. Look at these pictures. Y for yo-yo, Y for yacht and Y for yak. Let us learn capital Y and small y. Draw a big car, line and knot. This is capital Y. Draw a big car, line and knot. This is big Y. Now small y. Draw a car, another car, line and knot. This is small y. Draw one car, another car, line and knot. This is small y. You have to complete this page. Now page number 27. Look at these pictures. Z for zero, Z for zebra, Z for zip. Let us learn to write capital Z and small z. Draw a small car, line, big car and knot. This is capital Z. Draw a car, line, big car and knot. This is capital Z. Now small z. Draw a line, one car, line and another car and knot. This is small z. Draw a line, car, line and another car and knot. This is small z. You have to complete this page. CW classwork. Now write date here. Let us learn to write S to Z. S for sun. S for sun. S for sun. S for sun. This is capital S. S for sun. Now small sun. S. S. S for sun. S for sun. S for sun. This is small s. S for sun. Now T. T for tree. Capital T. T for tree. T for tree. T for tree. Capital tree. Small tree. small tree. Now U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. This is capital U. U for umbrella. Now small u. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. This is small u. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. V for van. This is capital V. V for van. Now small v. V for van. V for van. V for van. This is small v. V for van. Now W. W for watermelon. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. This is capital W. W for watermelon. Now small w. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Now small w. X for Christmas tree. This is X. Capital X. X for Christmas tree. X. X for Christmas tree. X. X for Christmas tree. This is capital X. Now small x. X for Christmas tree. X for Christmas tree. X for Christmas tree. You have to complete this space. Now Y. Y for yo-yo. Y. Y. Y for yo-yo. This is capital Y. Y for yo-yo. Now small y. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y. Y for yo-yo. This is small y. Now Z. Z for zero. Z. Z for zero. Z. Z for zero. Z. Z for zero. This is capital Z. Now small z. Z. Z for zero. Z for zero. You have to complete this space.